If you're snoring very loudly, try this little trick to try and work out what may be going on inside there. So, what I'd like you to do right now is to try and snore as loudly as you can. And then, halfway through the snore, try jutting your lower jaw forward like that and see if you can still make that sound. See if you can still make it as loud as before. A lot of people find that they can't do that because the tongue and the jaw are attached to the palate and it pulls it forward, opening up the airway. If that's the case for you, it may be worth trying some exercises to tone up the tongue and the palatal muscles. And look at this video for more information about that. Another option is to try a mandibular advancement device. Go to your dentist and get a custom-made mandibular advancement device, which is like a gum shield that brings your lower jaw forward at night so you don't snore so loudly and annoy everyone around you. Hope you found that useful. Do take care. Bye-bye.